Hey, everyone, welcome back to Hack Theory. Today, we're looking into an exciting topic, using Kali Linux in the Windows terminal using WSL. First things first, what is WSL? Windows Subsystem for Linux is a compatibility layer for running Linux binary executables natively on Windows. And what's more interesting, you can now run Kali Linux, the go-to OS for penetration testing, in your Windows terminal. Setting it up is simple. Just run this command in your Windows command prompt, and voila, you've got the power of Kali at your fingertips without the need for a separate machine. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Using Kali Linux in WSL gives you access to a plethora of powerful tools right in your Windows environment. Whether you're testing your own network or diving into ethical hacking, it's all right there. The best part, it seamlessly integrates with Windows. Need to switch between tools? No problem. It's all just a tab away in your Windows terminal. This synergy makes your pen testing workflow smoother than ever. Some may worry about performance, but fear not. WSL brings the power of Linux without the need for a virtual machine. It's resource efficient, ensuring your system runs smoothly even during intensive tasks. In conclusion, using Kali Linux in WSL is great for pen testers. It's quick, it's seamless, and it's right at your fingertips. Make sure to give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, happy hacking!